In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Shopify data to Looker Studio. By the end, you'll have your Shopify store data ready to visualize in Looker Studio, so you can build dashboards for sales, products, and marketing performance without manual exports. Start on your Looker Studio home dashboard. Make sure you're signed into the Google account you use for reporting and that you have admin access to the Shopify store you want to connect. In the top right, click Create. From the menu that appears, choose Data Source. This tells Looker Studio you're about to add a new connection that can feed data into your reports. You'll now see the connector gallery. In the search bar, type Shopify. Looker Studio will display a list of partner connectors that support Shopify. These are third-party providers that bridge your store's API and Looker Studio. Take a moment to read the descriptions on the right side when you click each option. Look for details like which metrics and dimensions they support, whether they cover orders, products, customers, refunds, or marketing attribution, and any limits on historical data. Many connectors offer a free trial or a tiered plan, so check pricing and refresh frequency to match your needs. If you manage multiple stores, confirm the connector supports more than one store and lets you pick the correct one during setup. When you've chosen the connector that fits, select it to begin authorization. You'll typically be asked to sign in and grant permissions both in Google and in Shopify. Approve the requested scopes so the connector can read your store data. Use your official store URL and confirm you're connecting to the right store environment. If the connector asks you to choose specific data sets, like orders, line items, products, or customers, select only what you plan to report on initially. Keeping it lean can speed up the first sync. Some connectors also let you set a default date range or schedule automatic refreshes. Align those with your reporting cadence. Follow the on-screen steps from the partner to complete the sync. The initial load can take a few minutes depending on your data volume. When the connector confirms the connection, click to finalize and return to Looker Studio. Your new Shopify data source will now appear and is ready to use in any report you build. If something doesn't connect, recheck permissions, store URL, and billing status with the connector. That's all. You've successfully connected Shopify to Looker Studio, and you're ready to start visualizing the metrics that matter.